Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th day of January 2022. We're going to talk about Harmony One today. We want to know if this market is still in a bull run or are we beginning to see a bear run into the market for this currency? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Before I go into that a little bit further, before I talk about my last price prediction, make sure you guys hit that like button. Share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Ensure that you stay updated as to what I'm seeing on the price chart in the market for these currencies. Join the team, join the community. All right, so real quick, look at the chart. Right, I did a video here in Harmony One on December the 15th. That was the last video. You guys can go back and look at it in my playlist that is on my channel to see what I said during that time. Here we are today, the 20th of January, and look what the price has done in relation to my price prediction. Right, I was bullish into the market in Harmony One on the 15th of December. Yeah, now I was looking for the market to get some rejection, get some selling around 22 cents, but look at what happened into the market since then. It went all the way up here to 38 cents. That's 107% movement higher, right? If you were to get out now, we're still sitting pretty, 58%, right there. Simple. We was already in position to absorb all of those gains. Now, at some point, you need to come in and take the bag. At some point, you need to, in order to realize your profits, you got to exit out your position, right? 58% right there. All right, so now let's talk about this real quick. Are we in a bull run or are we beginning a bear run? A couple of things has already gone on since my last video in Harmony One. What do you think? First, let's look at this. We're still in a overall bull trend. Yes, we are still overall in a massive upward move in Harmony One. So in one instance, yes, this is a bull run. But in another instance, look at this. We are also in a bear run, right? It's all about your perspective. It's all about your time frame and your preference of time. Looking at this market here in Harmony One, I mean, we've been in a very sustained upward move going all the way back since the beginning of the year, right? This market is in an upward trend. That is the bull run. The bear run comes when we see this market get rejected twice around 38 cents. You see that? And since our last opportunity for us to touch that 38-cent price level, price has been coming down. So in the long term, bull run. Short term, bear run. Look at this. We've seen this market price in Harmony One since the high that came in on the 14th of January to now lose 25%. Yeah. 6 days. Lost 24% of market value in Harmony One. So now, do we still have the prospect to see this price continue to go down? Because obviously, us seeing this rejection at 38 cents tells us that obviously the sellers are controlling the market. If they wasn't, the price would not be falling. So can we see this price in Harmony One continue to come down and fill this area here? We need to answer that question, because if so, we need to get prepared for it. Let's look at this market in Harmony One on a 3-day time frame real quick. And you all can see that, yeah, we're still seeing some weakness here. Yep, there's still weakness there. 2-day time frame, this is definitely still showing us some weakness here into the market. I'm looking at 26 to 24 cents originally for us to see some buying come through. This is the 5-day. This is even worse. We got 11 hours and 56 minutes left, and if we look the way that we look now, I'm definitely going to look for the price to come down. I already know it. I'm not scared or not nervous. I'm already prepared for this price to continue to go lower. And considering if we do look this way in the next 11 hours and us getting rejected at 38 cents, all of this combines into a overall strength of weakness, meaning that we're compounding the amount of weakness that this chart is showing, right? So I hope you all are just prepared for it. It's the only thing we can really do. Instead of us pushing the price to go up, we have to be prepared for wherever the market goes. And looking at this on the 5-day, it looked like the price is a little bit weak and may actually go down in price. So if that's the case, I said already, 26 cents, which is only 9.25%, not much, to 24, which is around 16%. Yeah, I'm already ready for that. I'm already prepared to see the market in Harmony One go down to those price levels. The biggest ultimate area of support that we cannot see price break is 22 cents. Now that's about 23 movement to the downside, 23% movement to the downside. Yeah. Now I know many of you may be nervous. I know many of you may be scared. I know many of you do not want to see or hear this because you guys want everything to shoot up to the moon. But this is not how this market works. Now, if we do see price in Harmony One, for instance, come to this trend and we see buyers come in here, then that's the prime real estate area to come in and purchase this currency. Because not only are you getting the currency at a cheaper price, you're also confirming that the buyers are willing to prop up this market. Now, if we break this trend, this bullish trend to the downside, let's say we're coming down and we break it, you need to understand that the market is overall weak. Yeah, it's just that simple. Okay, so now let's see what we have on a couple of different time frames, and then I'm gonna give you all the opportunity to tell me what are you noticing on the chart. All right, so far on this weekly time frame, the market looks weak. All right, it does. So let's see this on a different time frame then. 2 weeks. So we can't say that this price in Harmony One did not see a fantastic move. Like starting on this 2 weekly price bar, December the 6th, saw a very good run. Yeah, from the low that came in on December the 6th to the high that came in on January the 3rd. This 2 weekly price bar, that's a 140% price move. That's fantastic. Right? And at some point you would expect us to allow the price to come back down because people are trying to take the bag. People are trying to take the profits, rightfully so. So now let me switch this back over to the daily because we want to follow this market on a daily perspective. And I'm going to leave this right here because I'm playing some weakness into the market in Harmony One. Yeah, I am. 3 price targets. 26 cents, 24 cents, and then ultimately low lower than 22. We need to see the buyers come in around 22 cents. Okay, now I'm done. That's simple. That was easy. Nothing complicated. You don't have to get to know, 15,000 indicators, put them on your chart, figure out what it does, and then try to figure out what price is saying next. You don't have to do that. So now, real quick, drop me your price prediction into the market for Harmony One. Let me know where do you think the market is headed without the confusion. Give me your prediction and give me your price target. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, you got to trade different.